So today we are doing some explosions for giffgaff. My name is Chris Figallo and I'm the director. I've worked with jelly extensively on dinner tables with cutlery. I've never blown any up, so this is going to be a first for me. Well, we're making this jelly explode under very controlled conditions. We are going for an effect of making it look as if it's exploded with gunpowder. In actual fact, we've got specialist pyrotechnics. It's all very controlled, but we're trying to just give the effect of a slightly more rustic approach to blowing jelly up. It's a little bit more Guy Fawkes. We got involved when giffgaff wanted to celebrate 100,000 likes on Facebook, and they thought a good way to do that would be with a birthday cake. Albion thought that it would be good to blow up that birthday cake. So that's where we got involved. We got our special effects team, guys with moustaches, to load up some big cakes with a lot of explosive. Filmed it, giffgaff loved it. Next we're blowing up some ice sculptures, and now we're blowing up some jelly and some flowers. So because our jelly is quite thick and quite dark, we have hollowed it out, which has created some really nice effects with the light playing through it. It does slightly diminish the stability of the jelly, just means we've got to work quicker. Wobbling has been a big issue with the jelly. It's the only reason we're using jelly, so we've had to come up with several different kinds of wobble. There's a wibble, a wobble, a jostle, a large shake, and a sort of tremor.
Chop, wobbling, T, chop.
The jelly is surprisingly robust. It's coping really well, better than most of the crew who are wilting. I don't mean that, crew, you're doing really well.
No, I think let's let the doctor do it.
It's in.
Look at that.
Oh, I'm glad you're not a surgeon, Chris.
That's how they do it.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Yeah.
So somebody's put a shotgun through a jellyfish.
Thanks guys, that's a wrap everybody. Well done!